Yes, we therefore proceed to another emolument, and this refers to a minimum of 5% on the first 150 kilowatt hours of electrical consumption, 50 cubic meters water, and exemption also from VAT, Senators Poe and Lapid. Um, yes, we'd like to know your thoughts regarding this. Um, I was going to ask, isn't there a lifeline rate already provided? So the lifeline rate, the cutoff is at. Yes, I recall that it's 20 kilowatt hours only for the lifeline rate. This is much larger. Is this exorbitant? MWSS, you're here. Is 50 cubic meters a very large amount, or is this reasonable? Yes, please, Mr. Vega, I think.
The lifeline discounted rates are already implemented. For Maynilad, they have a further 38% discount.
Teka, ito bang 50 cubic meters, ganyan na rin yung sa lifeline rate?
It's only 10 cubic
Yeah,
meters.
ang alam ko maliit na maliit lang yung lifeline,
Yes,
di ba?
Your Honor.
So, you're saying it's actually only 10 cubic meters
Yes, sir.
sa ngayon. But you're mentioning another 38% discount?
Yes, for the Maynilad Lifeline customers, they receive a further 30% discount.
I see. But that's only Maynilad.
On the Manila Water, Your Honor, is the Lifeline customers enjoy a minimum charge of 83.14 pesos as long as they continue to consume 10 cubic meters.
But this is MWSS only. This doesn't include the water districts
It
and
does not
everybody
include the water district.
else. Kayo lang, you're only able to speak for MWSS
Yes,
naturally.
Your Honor. I think it would be LUWA that would be responsible for the particular lifeline discounts and discounts to be enjoyed by the.
I see. So that being the case, yes, Secretary, we don't have anyone from LUA here. LUA. Because this, you only called the MWSS. But this covers all utilities. You didn't call anyone from the electrical. Yeah, Meralco's present. Meralco, your lifeline rate, di ba 20 kilowatt lang? Ito mas malaki, 150.
Ano po kami sa, well, good afternoon, Madam Chair.
Yes, good
Hanggang
afternoon,
100 kilowatt hours a month. The
Sorry.
lifeline rate applies to customers up to the first 100 kilowatt hours. If they
Up to-
100 lang.
So it's actually very close to the lifeline rate na.
Yes.
Kasi ito yung recommend nila, 150.
Yes.
Is that gonna make a big difference, 150?
No. Actually, what we implemented in Meralco, we apply the lifeline first discount, and then we apply again an additional discount of the senior citizen.
So are you saying, so 100 tapos,
100 po.
first you start with the lifeline which is 100. Tapos,
Yes.
minus 100 na,
And then
tapos,
when we apply the discount, lifeline discount to the customer, kung ano po yung natirang bill ng customer na hindi na-cover na lifeline discount, i-apply po namin yung 5% dun sa natirang balance. So there are two discounts, the lifeline rate and the discount rate we apply to the bill of the customer.
what you're doing today.
Yes.
What's your recommendation with regard to this bill?
No, we
Ah.
support the bill.
You can increase to 150.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay lang sa inyo.
Yes, ma'am.
How about MWSS? Pero your discount's much bigger, ah. Ito 5% lang. At sinasabi nyo, you're giving 5%. You're giving 30%. I'm sorry. The bill says only 5. Pero kayo sinasabi nyo 30.
The 30 cubic meters.
Is that 30 cubic meters or 30% discount? You're losing me po.
30 cubic meters.
30 cubic. So it's 30 cubic. Kanina kasi sinabi 10. Which one is it? Sorry, let's
That
make
is
up
the
our minds.
lifeline. The lifeline
Yeah,
10
so
cubic meters.
what are you giving first now? What is the
First,
lifeline
the
rate
5%
now? No.
discount
No,
on
no. Tell
the
me first, teka muna. The lifeline rate given by MWSS today constitutes how many cubic meters?
On the 30 cubic meters.
Okay, 30, upon which you also deduct the discount, or like Meralco, yung balance na lang yung 5%.
Then if the
There's still a balance.
yes, if there is a lifeline rate for for those with 10 cubic meters,
Teka, kanina sabi mo 30.
the basic is the lifeline is the 10 cubic meters.
First, but then you change to 30.
The 30 cubic meters, you apply the 5% discount.
Teka.
The-
So first, the lifeline is at 10. 10 muna. And then, what happens?
Sa
Tapos, yung
then
sumunod na 30?
the 30 cubic meters, you will have both concessionaires would grant a 5% discount.
Ah. So 5%. Okay. Committee Secretary, yes, can you get Lua's opinion on this? Right.
Chair.
If everyone's in agreement with this, we also do a technical working group on this then,
Yes.
so that we can actually make it very clear cut.
Yes.
So yun yung lifeline rate. So what happens is the 100 kilowatt right now can be expanded to 150. Kayo, kaya ninyo yung sinasabing 50 cubic o hindi sa MWSS?
Yes, it's our position that
It's also doable. Oo.
We agree
Okay.
to the position.
So that's clear cut. My problem is, hindi maliwanag dito, almost every household in the Philippines has a senior citizen. So parang sakop na nito lahat ng household ng buong Pilipinas.
We have a mechanism for that particular
How does
implementation.
this work out? Because it would appear that almost all the households in the Philippines would avail of this tax exemption. Pwede ba yun?
There are qualifications, Your Honor. It is granted like the concessionaires would grant if it is classified under residential or semi-business category. It is registered under the name of the senior citizen.
So yun, it's really not to do with the nature of the business or it's being used as a home. Dapat nasa pangalan ng senior citizen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, so it's basta the account is registered, tama ba yun? Registered in the senior's name.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung hindi,
Then
kasi halos lahat mag-a-avail na
discount,
nito.
no discount, Your Honor.
No discount pag hindi. Is
Yes.
that something that Meralco would agree to also? Dapat the account is in the name of the senior.
Yes, ma'am. Just to make sure that there are safeguards na yung senior mismong makaka-benefit po.
O kasi lahat na lang mag-a-avail niyan. Okay, Miss Basiano.
That was one of the suggestions of the NAPSI Council na alisin po to make availment easier, alisin yung requirement na yung bahay o kaya yung how's that, yung metro ay nakarehistro sa matanda. Alam naman po natin,
Pag inalis mo yun, lahat ng bahay sa Pilipinas
ma'am,
na
alam naman po natin na ang karamihan sa mga bahay ngayon ay hindi na nakapangalan sa mga matatanda because older persons are now considered as just members of the household.
Yes,
So-
pero ang problema, sasakupin mo lahat ng bahay sa Pilipinas, wala namang papayag po nun.
Hindi naman po yata lahat kasi marami naman ang nangamamatay na agad. In fact, marami din ang
Hindi kaya, hindi yan totoo, pahaba ng pahaba.
sa
ang
mga
buhay.
nasa norte po siguro because you eat malunggay most, di ba? But in truth po, marami, especially sa mga metropolis, most of the houses are even rented, so they don't belong to the households that are residing in the place.
No, we're talking about the account po. It's not the title. Di ba? Tama ba? We're not talking about the title, we're talking
No,
about the utility
registration
account.
po. Yes, who owns the property, yun pong nakarehistro. So generally, especially
Ang
in
problema po
metropolis,
niyan, kapag lahat na lang ng bahay may senior eh.
bahagi po naman talaga yan ng responsibility ng lipunan.
Hindi na
na
papasa po
ibalik.
to. Hindi na po papasa to. Sigurado ako, kung 100% ng bahay sasakupin ito, wala na tayong batas.
Well, we're just trying to kumbaga ay see if this society is recognizing the contribution of the old
No, because what
persons.
occurs then is that it's no longer a senior citizen privilege. It becomes universal. Yan ang
Ang
problema.
kakaalam ko po niyan kasi
Mr. Vega, please. Yes.
dapat divided para may sharing if there are
Naku
5
po.
members in the
Kanya-kanyang
yung
metro sa
share ng
bahay.
matanda po. No, not necessarily. What I'm saying is if the household is comprised of 5 persons, di one share lang ang isa subject to the discount. Because that's
Paghahatian
the bill
pa
share.
yung 10 kilowatts.
Well,
Hindi, yung 10 cubic meter. Parang hirap nun eh. Magbibilangan ng kuwan ng ligo.
kung
Mr. Vega, please.
kung nagagawa naman din po sa mga restaurants yung sharing ng I mean, it can be done if we want. Di ba
Actually,
Ito po yung restaurant. Maliliit lang yung restaurant. Ito, hundreds of thousands ang kliyente.
also in the
Kaya
restaurant,
naman po
yeah.
nagtataas naman sila ng ng rates eh. Almost every month may taas ng rates.
Yes, Mr. Vega, please. Yes, we've heard you, Ms. Graciano. Thank you. Po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong sinasabi niyo kanina? Yung
the-
registry, yung tungkol sa
The
registration.
requirements, we have the accomplice application form, and we have the original senior citizens ID, and must be
Pero
issued by.
pa sinasabi ni Ms. Basiano na halos dito sa Metropolis, upahan lang o di kaya wala sa pangalan ng matanda. They can't
But, yeah.
avail.
But it has to be on their own meter, and it should be registered in their names.
Kaya nga that's the only way to identify.
Yes,
The
otherwise you
beneficiaries,
cannot be, we will be, it will be very hard for the concessionaires
Yes.
to implement these particular provisions.
Yes, not only hard for the concessionaire, hindi papayag.
Yes,
Wala
because
kang
it will be
papayag na.
everybody as
Yeah.
stated earlier.
Walang papayag yan.
Universal
At,
na.
oo, hindi
It's,
hindi
it's-
to magiging batas kasi ang daming aalman
It
yan.
would be a grant to all. So
Tama.
no
Oo.
senior citizens already.
That's correct.
That's
That's the
a
problem.
benefit.
Then we can't justify, di ba,
Yes.
the privilege. That's the problem. Yes, Chairman.
Madam Chair, I think we really have to pass this law because it will define matters. In Republic Act 9994, it says it will not exceed 100 kilowatt hours or will not exceed 30. And so it is subject to many interpretation. That's why I really appreciate
It's in the,
Republic Act 9994 po.
okay, okay, yes.
Mali ang pagka-define kaya hindi namimigay yung ibang utilities. Oo.
Totally wala as a
Oo.
result.
Yeah, kasi
Eh,
oh,
wala yung lifeline, basta wala lahat. Yun ang problema.
kaya itong first 100
So
or first
you're saying
150.
that this will, rather than a stand, we can do this as an amendment na lang.
Yes.
Tama, I think that's a good suggestion. Amendment of the senior citizens,
9994 po.
99.
Expanded senior citizens law.
Yeah, the senior citizens law. So we'll just amend the senior citizens law and delineate properly
Yes. Po. Yes, ma'am.
yung 100 at yung 30.
Yep.
So, but we keep it at 130 or we increase it like this bill say to 150 and 50.
By all means, if we can increase it.
Pumapayag naman sila eh. Ang problema, committee secretary, please pay attention. Yung LUA, please. We need the opinion of LUA kasi pumapayag naman yung Meralco at MWSS. At saka mas maganda nga i-amendment of the original law so that it's tidier. Okay, so I think we can constitute a TWG, but we have to include LUA. I'm happy to include Meralco as well as the MWSS. And perhaps Chairman Quijano, since you're most familiar with the senior citizens law. Thank you very much.